Hi guys, welcome to the pep talk session for this week. I would like to give 3 disclaimers today. The first disclaimer is whatever we do is purely voluntary. Even if we put down some recommendations, those are also voluntary. We don't do any marketing or promotions. This is just a social cause whereby we support each other. Secondly, today's activity that we will be doing includes a little bit of hazard and a little bit of danger for the one who will be making all these resources. The third disclaimer is that we have announced a few winners. We will be able to, the Girl Child Day winners and the Gross Motor Skill Activity winners, we will be able to send the gift to them either tomorrow or day after. So these are 3 disclaimers, and those gifts are sponsored by Amreen Amin from Stationery World and Nizar Noordin. Let's get started today. Today the topic that we are covering is, these days those activity books, laminated activity books are very in. So we will teach you how at home you can make those laminated activity books, and we will also propose a few vendors if you want to buy it from the market. But let's see how we make it at home. So I'll just switch the camera to my mom. Hi. Alright, so this type of activity books. Let's see how we can make it at home. Can you just pull this off and show? So you see, children match and match shapes. These are types of, These are types of activities which really help children to understand and sort of like learn vocabulary, learn new words, learn new pictures. And that is how all of these activities aid on to early literacy. These books are very good, or these activity sheets, laminated activity matching sheets, are very good for early mathematics development, early literacy development. So without a further ado, and many mothers in my group make it, especially Mavish Damani, she has all the series of this book which she sells it to different people as well, so you may want to contact her as well. But let's see how to make it at home. For this you require a few stationery. So you require ring binders. Just take care of your hand. We have an iron, so we have put the iron on electricity. This is a bit danger. Alright, so we need ring binders, and we need self-adhesive velcro tapes, or you can call it velcro circles. You need a handy printouts, whichever level your kid is. So I am making these activity worksheets for ages 2 to 3 years old. You can also do these activities from 1.18 months and onwards. So these are the type of sheets that you need, and you need some lamination sheets at home. So I'll repeat again. You need ring binders, velcro tape, iron to be set on 4 to 5, some activity sheets printouts, and a lamination sheet. We will make one for you live, and rest you can do it at home. So you see, all you need to do is you need to take lamination sheet, put it inside, set it up properly. Alright, see, we are setting it up. Can you please do it a little quicker so that our audience can see? Thank you. See, so you need to set this. Okay, if you can hold this, I can just do it like this. No, your fingers are coming out the camera. Okay. So what you need to do is, you need to properly set this in an A4 size laminated sheet like so. And then we will teach you how to iron, and very conveniently you can have alright. First you need to put the iron, stab it and pick it up so that it doesn't burn. So you see, it's getting a little harder. Now you press it further, press it and move it. Remember, this needs to be done by adults. This is not a kid's activity, so you need to prepare these activity when your kids are not around. Got a little harder. Turn it over and do it once more. Now you see, the sheet got harder. See, that's how your homemade laminated activity sheet is ready. Once you have this ready, so we had this one already ready with us, you need to laminate 2 sheets of each activity page. So there was this sheet, and then we had this duplicate sheet which we laminated of this activity. All you need to do is that once you have done both the lamination, you need to cut one shape. Can you quickly cut one shape? Or if you can hold this, I can quickly cut. Okay, quickly cut the shape. So you see, one activity is here, one page is laminated over here. From the other page, we are simply cutting the page. Oh, sorry, we are simply cutting the shape. Great, thank you so much. So once you have that shape cut, you need to take a Velcro tape, like so. Put the Velcro tape at the back. Take off the sticker. It's very easy. Yeah, you need to take off the sticker. Paste it over here. Take the sticker from the other side. Press it hard so that it's secure. Yeah, take the sticker from the other side, like so. And yeah, let me paste it. And you paste it over here on the square. Very firmly setting this up. Alright. So once you do it, see, your activity book is ready. So this way you can have as many sheets in your ring binder of laminated activity sheet, and you can conveniently make it at home if you want to introduce shapes, if you want to introduce colors, if you want to introduce preposition, if you wanted to introduce emotions, whatever you want to do, you can simply take two printouts, laminate both the printouts, use one printout as an activity sheet and the other printout to be cut into the relevant shapes. Put Velcro tapes both the ends, secure it properly, and then voila, it's ready. And it's so low cost, it's so handy. Kids would love doing it, you would love making it. All people who live in Karachi, you can get these sheets, Velcro tape and ring binders from Ambreen Amin Stationery World. I have purchased from her. You can also check out Market. There may be other options available. I hope you will enjoy making this thing, and if you make it at home for your kids, please share a picture of that particular activity book with me. It really encourages us to come up with more new ideas for you all. And if you want to buy it, Mavish Amin is the one who makes the ready-made books like this for your kids. Once again, these books, activity books, are extremely essential for early mathematics development and early literacy development. It helps your kid to have vocabulary, match things. So not only that your kids are matching shapes, but you can also ask them to match words. Once they match the shape, ask them which shape is it. It's oval. How to spell oval? O-V-A-L. So the higher the amount of activities you would engage your kids in, the better their vocabulary, early literacy, early numeracy development will be. So I hope you would find these tips handy. If you need the printouts of these 4 sheets, please check on comments. I'll just simply put the place where I got these printouts from. And stay healthy, stay safe, stay home, do not go out necessarily in the crowd, and take care of your health, take care of your well-being. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.